The U-2 is a strategic reconnaissance aircraft in the hands of the United States, and it is also a valuable asset in the hands of Lockheed Corporation. The company's senior management has been trying to find ways to make more profit from the U-2. Later, they proposed two more aggressive ideas. One is to turn the U-2 into a carrier-based aircraft, and the other is to turn the U-2 into a long-range maritime bomber that carries anti-ship missiles. In fact, there are certain advantages to converting the U-2 into a bomber. With the use of air refueling, it has a maximum range of over 10,000 kilometers, for U-2E, U-2F, and other models equipped with air refueling equipment, and a maximum flight altitude of over 20,000 meters. If the onboard reconnaissance equipment is removed, the space and payload that are freed up can be used to install missiles and related search, guidance, and other equipment. However, the U-2 still has some issues. Its speed is its fatal flaw, and its aerodynamic layout for high-altitude, low-speed flight does not allow it to fly at supersonic speeds. Therefore, flying directly to the target for a bombing run would be suicidal. For this reason, the company hopes to install air-launched anti-ship missiles with the capability to strike outside the defended area. The armed version of the U-2 is called the 315B. It adds an extra compartment to the original U-2, making it similar to a two-seater training aircraft. The front two-person cockpit is still responsible for aircraft flight control, while the newly added compartment is responsible for radar operation, communication management, assisting navigation, missile guidance, and other tasks. The 315B is planned to be equipped with the AGM-53 long-range air-to-ground missile. This missile was part of a development program proposed by the U.S. Navy in 1962, and the prototype missile was not successfully developed and tested until the early 1970s. The AGM-53 missile weighs 950 kilograms, is 4.22 meters long, and has a body diameter of 0.43 meters. It is equipped with triangular fins and uses a Rocketdyne 70 Malawian Kwacha's solid rocket engine as its power source. It has a maximum speed of 2.9 Mach and a maximum range of 110 kilometers. The exhaust ports of the engine are located at the bottom rear of the missile due to the equipment for the data link, which occupies the space at the rear. The missile uses TV guidance, and it transmits video back to the bomber via the data link, allowing the operators to remotely control the missile for the attack. The missile is equipped with a 290 kilogram shaped charge warhead, which can easily penetrate the armor of a warship. However, it may lack power when facing large surface warships. The missile can also be equipped with a W-37 tactical nuclear warhead to compensate for this lack of power, giving the 315B tactical nuclear strike capability. The 315B only remained in the initial design stage. The Navy did not believe that it would be very effective in combat, and it would be better to equip a few more F-14s instead. Furthermore, the AGM-35 missile program was abandoned in 1976 because its data link system was too expensive and unreliable.